Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today, getting ready to head into Disney Character Warehouse. This location located at the Orlando Premium Outlets, Medling Road. A little bit of a queue, not too bad. Let's go inside, let's see what they have. Any deals? Come on in, check it out. And just like that, we made it in maybe 6-7 minutes. Let's get right into it, guys. I like to update this about every 3, 4, 5, every month or so. Come right here right away, you can see this. No, it is not a Loungefly, it's a Dooney & Bourke. That's a cruise line bag. Very nice to find that here. Let's see. Right away. Trying to find a discounted price. Oh, right here. $149. Look at that. Wow. More cruise line merch. It's just like a little, almost like a little fanny pack. It's like, oh, it's got the strap. Cruise line, Disney Cruise Line. Let's see. I'm trying to find the price. Lately, when I've been coming, it's regularly $34. They haven't been putting prices as much. So, not quite. Oh, right there. 20. And then another Dooney & Bourke with a little wallet. Cruise line one, match that very nicely. This one, 100, originally 188. And they kind of have, oh no, I guess I can open it. Let's see what it looks like inside. Look at that. Lots of pockets in there. Very cool. These, I got a feeling will go quickly. Hard to find these unless you're on a Disney cruise ship. I guess if you are going to be here within the next few days, you're going to hit the jackpot with all your cruise line merch. Look at this cool bag. I could picture using this on Castaway Cay for sure. It's like a nice little soft bag. It's got the pockets for your drink. Oh my gosh, how much is this thing? $54. Ooh, it's expensive, but it's nice. It's like very soft. Let me see if I can open and look on the inside. Look at that on the inside. It's got the logo. It's got this like, I can't go on record and say it's waterproof, but it does definitely feel water resistant. And then put like a passport in there even. If you were coming off the ship and you wanted to carry a passport with you. It's got another pocket back here. Wow. I really like this bag. This is a nice bag. Another pocket here. It's the lug. I've noticed Disney doing a lot with the lug. Not quite Loungefly, but still very good quality. This is a cool bag. You got a little matching bag. Look at this. This one's good for like your little colognes and soaps and things. Or whatever else you want. This is another nice little bag. This is a nice little collection. This one is, no price there. Tough to say. What's the original price on this one? We're gonna do a guess, guys. This one's $110, so this one is half price. Let's say this one's 50%. Probably around, $35, $40 for that one, I would assume. Very cool. Now this looks familiar because Roberta has this Loungefly. I believe she does. Pretty sure she does. This one only $40. These are usually around $80, guys. $75 to $85 in the park. Yeah, sometimes you can find popcorn. The Mardi Gras Melody popcorn, 99 cents. These, ooh, that cruise line merch is nice. And like I said, I don't know, depending how much they have, that's gonna move quick. I'm gonna keep moving here. We got a little Tinkerbell. Looks like it glows. It's like a little display. Some of this stuff, I think, oh no, Lion King. I did not see this last time. Lion King throw. 30th anniversary of the Lion King, celebrated last year. And this one originally 70, 25, not bad. And then this Loungefly has been around for a while. This one is $40. So it's about 50% off. Let's see the inside. Always cool to see the inside. There's enough I think, enough new stuff that I don't have to do a lot of repeats. This has been here for a while. More cruise line. Oh my gosh. $8. Look at that. That is nice. That is very nice. And these are $12.99. It's a little art kit is what it is. See if we can open it up. Try one hand here, guys. So this is nice. I guess if you were going to travel and get ready to go on a cruise and you had kids. Oh, I got to open it. Hang on. Look at that on the inside. It's got the crayons. Oh, cruise line. Oh, you can color in there. Oh, are you kidding me with this? This is very cool, man. Very cool. Look at that. I think there's a couple missing, though. Anyway, the Character Warehouse, if you're not familiar, all this is official Disney merch, cruise line merch. I've never seen this much cruise line merch here before. It's kind of like a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls of Disney. All official park merchandise and cruise line merchandise. $20. Disney Wish. This is great to bring on the cruise because you can fill up. They have complimentary drink stations. Lemonade, sodas, iced teas. And you could bring that. Just be careful with combination, man. With these, it does have a tendency to boom when you open it. But you definitely put some iced tea or water in there. That's nice. It's a Make-A-Wish and Wish. So Make-A-Wish is sponsored by Disney, making dreams come true for all kinds of youth. That's very nice. Plates. Oh, these are bowls. $25 for these. Different ones here you can see. Oh, actually, as they take them out, I'm going to show them to you. Oh, they look nice. They do look nice. You can see them right there. Look at that. Very nice. Wow. Very cool. And here's a plate set as well, $25. Originally $44.99. Oh, we got Minnie, Mickey, I'm trying to see Donald and Pluto, or Goofy. Can't quite see. I don't have my readers on. Guys, I'm buying one. I can't help it. Actually, I'm going to say thank you to my dad because it was my birthday and he sent me a gift, some cash. And so, Dad, thank you. I'm going to use some of my money to buy this. I know we'll all be able to use it. And Roberta will be happy because I guarantee you, Roberta edits, just to let you know, guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't. Roberta, my wife, she edits all the videos, and when I do these videos a lot, she's like, oh, you should have got that, you should have got that. I usually don't buy stuff, but today, thank you, Dad, for my birthday, which was a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna get this. Why not? Mini stuff's been here for a while, all there. Housewares. Oh, so we have some kitchen things here. Corn on the cob holders. Gosh, I want everything today. The Mickey hands. Are you kidding me? $5. Look at those. They're so cool. Oh no, I can't keep buying stuff. Look at these. These are the placemats. Set of 4 of them. Oh, they're neat. $14.99. And we have, just so you can put some of your kitchen utensils in there, $12.99. Just to show you, you know, $35 original price. Jeez, I should get these too. These are cool, man. These are cool. Let's see if I can see the original price on those. $30. Oh, these are neat. I'd like to have those in my kitchen. Oh no, I might spend it all, Dad. But anyway, how much are these originally? $13. So lots of kitchen stuff here. Very cool. Plenty of those mats. I'll have to think about them. They're pretty neat though. I could see them out on my bar in the kitchen. They probably look good. And we have the mug or a little drink cup, $5. It's like a balloon, guys. These are kind of like the balloons they sell now at the parks if you've been there. From 27 down to 5. Wow. More housewares. $14.99. These little cute plates. Tidbit plates, they're calling them. Nice. And the that's a French press, right, for coffee? Coffee press. How much is that? 20. Down from 40. And what the heck is this? Stirrers or something? Not even quite sure what those are, guys. Yeah, they look like little stirrers for drinks, I guess. Somebody in the comments let me know what that is. $8. Alright, you can tell I don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Not quite sure exactly what the heck this is. Measuring cups or something? I have no idea. 30. Mug and stencils. Interesting. Very interesting. And then we have some containers here. 20. Those were 40. Lots of that today. Found some more. So they do have quite a bit of that cruise line merch, guys. If you get a chance today, recording of this, it is not April Fool's joke. It is April Fool's Day, April 1st. So I'd say in the next few days you'd be able to probably get lucky with that at least. You can always call too and ask. It's like some containers, 15. Lots of kitchen stuff. It's got like a nice little wood on top. Bowls here. Those are 10 for the bowl. This might be for a dog bowl. Looks like it, right? Guys, you'll also find tons of mugs all the time. Rotation turns a lot, but they do have some that have been here for a while. So this is the whole area I've covered so far. This is this little corner. Now when I get into the clothes, I don't get too much into the getting through all the clothes, but I do like to just kind of show you all of the clothes they have. You know, because there's all different sizes and styles that people like, but there's tons of clothing in here too. Tons of Spirit jerseys in the back. They also have toys. A lot of this stuff though, been here for a while. Doesn't move too quickly. Sometimes they will bring new toys in, but a lot of the same toys will be here for a while. There's some droids actually. So some of the Star Wars collection. And some youth shirts as well here. Another cruise line hoodie. That's for 2024 Mickey Cruise Line hoodie. But yeah, you can see all the different sweatshirts and lounge flies here in the back. Let's just have a look at one just for the heck of it. 30, 35, so right around 30, 35. Oh my gosh, Festival of the Arts already here in 2025. My favorite festival at Epcot. 30. If you've never experienced that, you gotta go take a look at the vlog I have on it. It's a cool festival. Tons of arts, visual art, culinary arts. So it's not just about paintings, it's all kinds of things. And theater arts as well, you know, drama and things like that too. I like that Mickey wall clock. Reminds me of back when I was in school. The analog Mickey wall clock. Not sure how much it is. It's too high for me to reach. Maybe there's one around somewhere. So they have some Pandora collection here. If you're into Pandora. I do see it here now and then. 15 for the backpack. I actually have this mug. It was gifted to me on the Disney Dream Cruise I was on by guest service. Gave me that mug. We got a towel. Towels are usually like $30, so that's not too bad. It's a Banshee, right? I think 15. Snack collection. Been here for a while. If you're interested in a snack collection, the last Character Warehouse vlog I put out probably about 3-4 weeks ago got a lot of the snack collection. Still some here. Some of the ornaments Play in the Park still here. That's in the last vlog I did. So yeah. Oh, there's a lot of hats. Let's go take a look at some hats. But first, Captain Mickey, more cruise line merch. More cruise line merch. It's 25. It's warm. It's good if you're going on a cooler cruise, Alaskan cruise, where magic meets the sea, $20 for the bag. Again, Disney Cruise Line bag, $20. Not very big though, good for you kind of hanging out on the ship. Need to carry a few things around. Originally 40. Captain Mickey hat, guys, 15 for the hat. That's usually around 30, yep, 30. And this is a crowded area because we also have, we've got some sweatshirts. Set a course for adventure. Cruise line, lots of cruise line, I can't believe it. Sweatshirts, hats, bags, another shirt here. Unbelievable. Unreal. $8. Assorted ornaments here. Glance just through for you. And of course you have cruise ones. I think those were here last time. All different ones. And hats. Hats anywhere from $1.99 up to $7.99. Is that Roger Rabbit? Or no, maybe from the Alice in Wonderland. By the way, guys, the wall clock. Actually, let's see if I can come over here and show you. It is $20. It's right there with the tag. Lots of, oh, we got the Princess Half Marathon out now. Lots of different shirts from that. Wow. Busy today in here. Doesn't matter what day you come, it's always just seems to be always busy in here. Black Panther relic. $45. Wow, I think I covered it a lot. I actually this time didn't try not to do repeats. There was a lot of newer stuff from last time, so you could go back and check the last vlog out because a lot of that stuff's still here from the last vlog, especially in the parks and the snacks collection. Just trying to get one last look around here, guys, just to show you. But yeah, very cool. And yes, I think I am going to get the placemats. They're cool. I do like them. I think they're really neat. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these too. Hey, I'm 51, but hey, Dad send you money for your birthday. You gotta utilize it, man. So once again, thanks to my dad, and thanks for these birthday gifts, because I would have never bought this unless I would have got that gift. As I come on out, guys, yes, I had to do it. I couldn't resist. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Oh, by the way, forgot to mention, Medling World's Friend Cruise, September 1st through 5th. Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, open to anybody who would just like to go hang out and go cruising with us. I actually have a Facebook page too you can join if you want to cruise. Trying to keep that specifically for people who do want to cruise. And you can just put a search in Medling World's Friends Cruise for Facebook. Let's all go cruising and have some fun together. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!